snoring like this?
It is not.
You no go allow me sleep. Your story is too much. It's too much. I cannot bear it. It's unbearable. You know that
snoring. My guy, you are disturbing me.
You don't get conscious at all. I will go and report you to carbon so that it will change you from this room.
Hold on, Gigi. It is not too much. Oh. It is not like we're waiting in the corner. Lie on. Change me for that room. I don't want to say.
Can be. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes, so these are the new engineer when come on board. The Amayanabo one of comedy in Africa.
Oh, you're welcome.
That's accommodation now with the issue, so that's why I bring and come.
Beer with us this night.
Thank you very much, Baba. Oga can be. Nice beat. Liverpool champions.
A few moments later.
Waiting be this. Jesus. Oh, Billy.
My God, what's going on in this place? Oh, Camry, don't kill me. Don't bring wild animal. Jesus Christ. How am I going to cook in this type of situation? How am I going to kill? Bros. Take it easy. It's a public place. Cannot be talked about like that. Bros. Go please, eh? Go and please, eh? Go and ease yourself. Go and ease yourself. Oh my God. See, go down. Go and please.
Blood of Jesus.
This kind of problem. This kind of conflict. Their family, this kind of. And what? Amos, I want you to take immediate action. I'm not happy. Now you went, there is a plan, you know how that guy is not. That guy is a generator.
She's a home, they complain. On that